Getting started with Samsung Health.
The Samsung Health is a versatile app that helps you track various health and fitness activities. To log indoor workouts, start by opening the Samsung Health app on your smartphone. Make sure you have the app updated to the latest version for the best experience and features.
Accessing exercise tracking.
From the app's main screen, look for the exercise section. Tap it to view available workout options. If you want to record an activity, such as treadmill running or indoor cycling, you can find these under preset activities, or add a new type if needed.
Manually logging an indoor workout.
To manually log an indoor session, tap the Add Exercise button. Then select the indoor activity you performed. Enter details like duration, distance, and calories burned, if known. You can also add optional notes about your workout or how you felt.
Tracking your progress over time.
Samsung Health compiles your workout data into easy-to-read charts and summaries. Visit the History or Trends section to view all your indoor workouts. This helps you monitor progress, set goals, and stay motivated as you see improvements over time.
Tips for accurate tracking.
For best results, try to log workouts soon after exercising while details are still fresh. If your device or wearables allow, consider syncing your activities automatically. Regularly updating your weight and profile data can improve the accuracy of calorie and distance estimates.